16.2 of keyboard input. Let's look at what it's asking us to do. It's going to ask us to run our code. Now, what pops up on the screen is this cute little giraffe. And I can look at the code and says, if I key down with the letter H, notice how that H is in quotes, a hippo pops up. If I key down with a P, a pig pops up. Notice I only have one sprite, only one variable sprite, because I'm not making multiple sprites. I'm just having the giraffe show up, and then when I tap P, the pig shows up, or when I tap H, the hippo shows up, but we have a rabbit here. So down here on line 19, I have an empty if, which is saying if key down R, I'm going to want to go to my sprites and grab this sprite set animation since they just kept it at sprite. Remember, it's usually not a great idea to type in here. I'm just going to click right on that drop down and select the rabbit. Now, if I rerun my code, I have a giraffe. If I tap H, I have a hippo. If I tap P, I have the pig. And now if I tap R, I have the rabbit. But I can't get back to the giraffe. Okay. So this time, even though we don't have to do this, let's be a little extra. And let's create if key down. So I'm going to go to control and grab my if. And you could just copy and paste, but to find our key downs, those are in world. And I'm going to go to key down. You'll learn the difference between key down and key went down in a little bit. Now if I hit this arrow down, it gives me some limited, kind of like with our colors. Just to keep it simple, I'm going to put a G there for giraffe, and I'm going to go to sprites, sprites and animation, and I'm going to set it to the giraffe. Now, I just ran my code, but if I hit the G, it's not going to, you'll have to trust that I'm hitting the G, but it's not going to work because I have to reset and run my code. Now, if I go to H for the hippo, P for the pig, R for the rabbit, G for the giraffe. Great job.